Welcome to the shop where I just picked up a new exhaust from a Razor 900S. For my exhaust, I went to HMF and I picked up one of their full exhaust systems, the blacked out. It matches the theme of the bike. I mean, my 900S is pretty much blacked out already. So this goes right along with the flow. Now this exhaust comes with your header pipe. It comes with both your S pipes that go to your canisters. It comes with two canisters. It's a dual exhaust system. It comes with all the mounting brackets. It comes with a new header gasket. It comes with all the screws, brackets, everything needed for install. And it comes with the quiet cores. If you think the exhaust is too loud without the quiet cores, you can go to the quiet cores in it. And HMF says stock exhaust is 84 decibels. With the quiet cores, their exhaust is 88 decibels. And you've got a 3 horsepower gain with this exhaust. Now you can't run just the exhaust, you got to have a fuel controller too. Now I went to Dobeck Performance and I picked up the fuel controller, but I'm going to talk about that in another video. This video is just going to be about installing the exhaust. But anyway, let's get this thing tore apart. Let's get this new exhaust on it. Then we'll get it tuned. Then we'll get out here and we'll hit the trails and see how this thing does. The thing I'm going to do is remove this rear plastic panel. And to do that, you've got several screws that need removed. Now with all the screws removed, you're going to reach in on this side over here and unplug this tail light harness. With it unplugged, we can get your muffler. This exhaust has several springs on it, so you want to be real careful when you're removing these springs. They say to take a piece of wire. Now I use vice grips. I'll get it real tight. You want to make sure they don't come off. You want them snug. And just pull back on the spring and let it relax. And the top one the same way. One under the muffler. Then we got the one down here on the side. And the muffler should just pull right off. These little rubber mounts might seem a little tight, but if you slide them toward the inside, they pull right out. We're going to reuse this factory screws, so you want to hang on to those. Next, we're going to go ahead and install this new exhaust bracket. Next, I want to run two of these bolts up from the bottom with small washers on. And I want to put the large washer and lock nut on top of it. Now with the 4 screws and the 6 push pins out, this panel will kind of lay back out of the way, give you access to your head. If you want to get this completely out of the way, all you got to do is unplug this right here. You can lay this completely out of the way. But that's far enough for me, so I'm just going to be sitting right here. And I'm going to go ahead and pull a header pipe off. The header should just pull right out. You want to remove all this factory gasket material, and you don't want to damage your head. So just gently with a good gasket scraper should peel it right off. Next, we can go ahead and line our header gasket up with our header. And this header is a whole lot lighter, so it's a little easier to handle when you're going to put it on. Then we can slide a bolt through it to help hold that gasket in place. You can always glue the gasket in place if you want to, but personally, I've not had a whole lot of luck on glue on the exhaust. Now with all them tightened down, we can go back to the back of the bike. Next, you want to determine which is your lower and which is your upper S pipe. Then you want to take your lower S pipe, slide it over the header as far as it'll go. Then you want to take your bolt with a washer on it, slide it from the back side, just slip your pipe onto the bolt. Then install another washer and one of the lock nuts. And you can level your pipe up, move it up and down, make sure it looks good. Once you get it where you want it, you can go ahead and tighten it to both. Now with the lower S pipe and muffler on, we can go ahead and install our upper S pipe and muffler. Just like with the lower pipe, I'm going to stick my bolt from the inside out. Figure out how to get to it. Next, I want to go ahead and install these new brackets that were included with the kit. Normally at this point I go ahead and start reassembly, but with it being exhaust, I'm going to fire this thing up and let it run a little while, let it get warm, then come back over and check all my bolts. So now with the pipe installed, I went ahead and installed the EJK, got everything fired up, let it run for a minute, everything sounds good. Double checked all my bolts, everything's still tight. So with it cooled back down, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything back together. Now with the exhaust good and everything on, we can go ahead and start reinstalling this rear fascia. First thing you want to do, the last thing you want to do when you took it off, you want to go ahead and plug your harness in for your tail latch. Then with the tail latch plugged up, we can use this back in there, go to the other side, use it back in, and lift up. Then we can go ahead and start a couple of screws to hold it in place.